Open the file, it's a world to build, where imagination and pixels are filled. I grab my lasso tool and I start to trace, selecting the parts that I want to embrace. Then it's fill it up right, turning the canvas into pure light. I use the spot healing brush, clear out the mess, perfecting my vision, every detail no less. With burn modes on, I change the tone. Each layer I stack, a world of my own.
Transform tool,
Twisting the design, every move I make, it's all by design. We're the pixel dreamers, creators at heart. From content to